Hi friends, today we are going to discuss a wonderful topic. What is that? Rebirth exist or not? Rebirth exist or not? Wonderful environment here. Greenery, rainy season and birds are singing here and we are discussing wonderful topic today. Rebirth exist or not? My name is Dr. Bharat Chaugule, transformational life coach, and I'm sharing my wisdom with you. It's a very difficult topic to understand because every religion, every community has their own perception about this rebirth. Some religion, people are believing in that rebirth is exist. Contradictory, another religion peoples are disbelieving in that. Their opinion is that there is only one lifetime, there is no rebirth. So I cannot explain you the truth because truth can be only experienced. We are listening from others or we are reading through books. That is just a belief only, something in imagination, but not the truth. That is a belief. So that's the reason Gautama the Buddha also never talk about the God. Why? Because it's a matter of experience. If he will speak something, what will happen? That will be misunderstood by the people. That's the reason. Belief is different, fact is different, truth is different, information is different, data is different, and knowledge is different. So rebirth is what? It's just a belief so far as we are believing in other people. Whatever comes under our personal experience, that is only the truth. So explaining this concept, I have to use the logic today. We all were the infant, yes or no? Yes, we all were infant. Infant means what? 0 to 1 year age. In that time, we could remember any memories? We have that memories with us now. Can we recall it? No, we don't know about whether we will exist, we were exist or not in that period also, 0 to 1 year. So we are simply believing others. We took birth. She is my mother, he is my father. For that also we have to believe in other. I don't know who gave birth for me, whether a woman gave birth or I came from the in another planet also. So we are simply believing for this simple thing also for others. What I want to convey you here, in this lifetime also, in this lifetime's reality also, our intellect is not capable to understand. Our intellect is not capable to understand this time, this lifetime reality also. Then how we can deny past life is not there, or future life is not there, or rebirth is not there? You got my point? For this lifetime reality also, we can't understand through our intellect. We have to depend on another memories. We have to gather information from here, there, or we have to simply believe others. So, intellectually or with these five senses, understanding the reality is not possible. That's the reason rebirth exists or not, we cannot deny that, so far as we will not experience it on our personal experience. Otherwise, it's just a belief only, and beliefs came from the cultures. Every culture has their own belief. We brought up with the culture, and we got that type of beliefs only. So understanding the reality, understanding the rebirth, we should not have to depend on others' beliefs and culture. We have to experience on own personal level, then only we can tell the truth. Thank you.